Okay, guys, so we took a little pause. I am going to just read practice number 3, and we are going to go, we'll go over those later. We might not go over them today, okay? So what I want you to do is you are going to do these on your own. I'm going to read them out loud, and then we'll move on to your exit ticket. So this will be pretty quick. So each of the contestants face the final questions. Shylon, who was the defending champion, worried that he would not remember the answer of history. Thomas, who was still surprised that he had qualified to be in the program, wondered if there was a cash prize. Zakiya felt confident in herself because history was her favorite. So you need to write in the box or on your side piece of paper, what point of view is this written in? You can go back, you can scroll on your phone or on your computer, and you can look on how to spell it. If you just want to put like first, now third, you're going to either have to say third person limited or third person omniscient. You can either put an L or an O with the third so that you don't have to write out the entire thing. Okay, that's okay with me. But you need to explain how you know, just like we did on the model and on the practice that we just got done with. So go ahead and take a second. Remember what you're thinking is the narrator in the story? Do I only know, or is the narrator not in the story? Do I only know one character's thoughts and feelings, or do I know all the character's thoughts and feelings? Remember, you need to make sure that you are bolding the characters and underlining how they feel, and then that'll tell you your answer. So take a second and write down your answer for that one. And then I'm going to go ahead and read the next one. And if you didn't get it finished by the time that I'm moving on, that's okay. I just want to make sure that we are reading it, and then we will go over it later. Okay, so I never knew that making one decision could mean so much. What if I made the wrong choice? Is the narrator in the story? Is the narrator not in the story? Do you only know one character's feelings, or do you know all characters' feelings? So first, third person limited or L, third person omniscient or O. And then how do you know? Okay, so guys, now that we did that, your exit ticket is actually a Google survey, which is much easier for you to turn in. You just like hit the buttons next to it and then it'll turn it in. It should give you a grade right away, or it just gives me the grade right away to make it super easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a second to go ahead and, sorry, Maple's in the room again and she's being kind of loud. Maple, come here. Come here. And I am going to pause this.